Dear students, today our topic is democratic constitution in South Africa. In South Africa. As we know that South Africa was suffering from racial discrimination, the white Europeans imposed this system on South Africa during the 17th and 18th centuries, when the trading companies from Europe occupied it with arms and force, in the way they occupied India. But unlike India, a large number of whites had settled in South Africa, became the local rulers. They became the local rulers. The system of apartheid divided the people and labeled them on the basis of their skin and color. Skin and color. The native people of South Africa are black in color. They made up about 3/4 of the population and were called blacks. They were called blacks. Blacks. So, besides these two groups, there were other mixed races who were called colored, and people who migrated from India. The white rulers treated all non-whites as inferior. The non-whites did not have voting rights. So the system, that means the apartheid system, was particularly oppressive for the blacks. It was oppressive for the blacks. For the blacks. And it was Nelson Mandela who took a leading role to liberate South Africa from this racial system or the apartheid. And there were other people accompanied him, but the white government tried their hard to suppress these people. And as we know that Nelson Mandela was put in jail with his 7 colleagues, and remained almost about 28 years in the 28 years in the prison. But they continue to fight against this system. They don't lose their courage, but with boldness they fight against this system. And the time came when the people of the white people of South Africa, who were the ruling class, they began to think that we cannot suppress them for a long, because now this moment gained the power in South Africa. South African people, the blacks and others, also some liberal white people who also joined this movement, they began fought against this system with a strong arm. And now, after 2 years discussion, debate, they came out with one of the first finest constitution the world has ever had. This constitution gave to its citizens the most extensive rights available in any country. The white people or the ruling class now thought that they released Nelson Mandela and other his companions from the jail. Now joint efforts were made by these white ruling class and the people who were fighting against this apartheid system. Now they come to conclusion that a joint constitution should be made which will guarantee all its people without race, color or caste equal rights, and there will be equal participation in the formation of government, and blacks and whites should be treated equally. And this constitution, the preambles to the South African constitution, sum up this spirit. What was the spirit of this constitution? That is, I will discuss. The South African constitution inspires democrats all over the world. Number first, all over the world, It inspires all the democrats all over the world. A state denounced by the entire world till 1994 as the most undemocratic one, is now seen as a model of democracy. Now South Africa was seen a model of democracy throughout the world. The Constitution of South Africa speaks of both the past and the future. On one hand, it is a pact in which we as the South African declared to one another that we shall never permit a repetition of our racist. We shall never permit a repetition of our racist, brutal and repressive past. That we shall not repeat that which we have done in the past. We shall not repeat that repressive past, brutal exercises which we have done in the past. But it is more than that. It also states that it has a character for the transformation of our country into one which is truly shared by all its people. That means in the formation of government, that all sections of people will participate. No one can be denied. A country which is in the fullest sense belongs to all of us. Black and white, black and white, white, women and men. This constitution helped South Africa to build its future. Now the apartheid system was totally destroyed and the new constitution of South Africa was established. Hope that you will got something from this lesson, and goodbye.